In this lecture, I'll show you how you can create a table in the Oracle database. So whenever we go with the training, many times we need to create a table. So it is really important to understand how to create a table in Oracle database. So my suggestion to everyone, like whenever you are dealing with creation of table or insertion the data into the table or any SQL statement, first of all you need to check the syntax. So if you check the syntax of create table, it is looking like this: create table, table name, then column and their data types. So we can add multiple columns, and after that you need to close the bracket. So let's try to create it. So this is my Oracle 19c database. So I'm going to create my table inside the pluggable database. Let me do that. First of all, let's clear the screen. Create table, table name. Now I'm giving a table name like, let's say, test table. Okay, so I want the table to be created with two columns. One is ID and ID data type. So data type means this ID column will store only integer type of data. Integer means basically your number. Number is like 0 to 9. Obviously, because your ID will be always a number, employee ID does not have any type of ABCD kind of stuff, right? It will be always like some number. And then name, and I'll store the data varchar to 20. This is 20 is basically the size of your data. Okay, varchar 2, it will store your data in the alphanumeric. So varchar 2 is again a data type inside the Oracle database. So we have a multiple data types are there in the Oracle database. Now this table I'm creating. Here I got the answer that table created. Let me check the column DESC and the table name. I can see that in the test table there are two columns are there, ID and name. ID, the type of, this is a data type. For ID, the data type is number. It means this column is going to be store only number type of data. If you try to insert some XYZ, it will not be able to do that. Name will store varchar 2 type of data. Okay, and this 20 is basically the size of your data. That is what it can hold max. So this is how you can create a table. Now while creating a table, you can also add new columns. Okay, so right now I have created this table with only two columns. If you want to add more columns, you can do that after table creation also, or while creating the table also you can have a multiple columns. So right now if you see our table, the table will looks like this: test table, and there is no data in that table. We have two columns, ID and name. Since this is a table which is empty table right now, it is looking like this, but later on I am going to insert some record here like this, then it will looks better. Okay, let's try to see how you can insert the data in the next lecture. Thank you.